ILMN Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Yeah, Illumina stock, bro, I'm not pronouncing it correct, but who cares? It's 5.5% up. Like, it's such a bullish trend for me. Therefore, I'm looking to take things up. You can see this is why I love how I have like absolutely call out the demand areas. It's crazy. Price when tapped the demand area, I was not behind the chart to try and capitalize on this. Blue and never delivered towards the highs, came back down, and now it's starting to pick up. Generally speaking, I mean, again, I'm just sticking to my edge that I've refined over 35,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on courses, mentorships, all that. And the way that I'm observing ILMN is I just want to take things up. That's it. I mean, I'm not looking to force anything and whatnot, but I'm telling you, like, unless the price pulls down inside my demand area and then gives me the shift, there's just no way that I will take things up. Just no way. And I really mean when I say, like, I'm not in a rush. Like, I'm not gonna force it because I've done it before. Awful experience. Not just once, but I'm talking thousands of times. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.